ago, we were amazed when AI could simply answer questions. Then it started writing emails, creating images, summarizing documents, and helping us work even more smarter and faster. And we thought this is the future. But that was just the beginning. The AI we are seeing now does not just answer questions. It can think, plan, take actions, and complete tasks on its own. This is Agentic AI. It can manage workflows, make decisions, and execute tasks end-to-end without you guiding every single step. And this is not a future idea anymore. It is already being used in companies, teams, and hiring decisions. So, the real question is, do you understand it? Can you build with it? Can you use it in your own career? Because the professionals who can are already moving ahead in this time. So, if you want to stay on the right side of the ship, you are at the right place. Today, we are looking at the top 5 Agentic AI courses by Simplilearn that can help you understand, build, and work with one of the biggest changes happening in the tech right now. So without any further ado, let's get started. At number 1, we have Simplilearn's applied Agentic AI systems design and impact in collaboration with Microsoft. And let me just say this upfront. This is not a beginner level course. This is a practitioner level program built for experienced professionals who want to be at the absolute cutting edge of AI. If you want to design, build, and lead Agentic AI systems, this is where you start. So what exactly you will learn in this course? In just 10 weeks, live online and interactive classes, you will go deep into multi-agent systems, RAG pipelines, model context, protocols, LLM internals, planning systems, workflow automation, Agentic UI design, and even the business and go-to-market strategy behind Agentic AI products. You will work with 29 plus AI tools like LangChain, Crew AI, AutoGen, NA10, LangGraph, Pinecone, Figma, Miro, the tools that are literally being used right now in the top AI teams around the world. And there's something really special in this program, a Claude Code and OpenClaw workshop. A hands-on workshop where you will actually build with Claude Code. Not just learn about it, but actually build with it. That's not something you will find in most of the programs. The projects in this program are practical and easy to understand. You will work on with 7 hands-on projects and 1 final capstone project. These projects will help you learn how to build AI workflows, use automation, work with RAG, create multi-agent systems, and solve real business problems. In the capstone, you will bring everything together and apply what you have learned in a real-world style project. By the end of this program, you will have more than just a certificate. You will have a portfolio that clearly shows what you can actually build. Now, speaking about the certificate, you walk away with a joint program completion certificate from Microsoft and Simplilearn, plus Microsoft Learn badges for the Microsoft branded courses. So, when a recruiter sees your profile, they are not just seeing another AI course. They are seeing Microsoft, Agentic AI, hands-on project, real skills. That combination is rare. And right now, it is extremely valuable as companies like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Nvidia, Bosch, KPMG, Deloitte, they are all actively hiring in this space. So, go check the program link in the description box. All the details are right there. Now coming at number 2, we have Simplilearn's professional certificate program in Agentic AI and multi-agent systems. This program comes with strong credibility because it is offered in partnership with Vishleshan, iHub, the Technology Innovation Hub of IIT Patna. So, you're not just learning Agentic AI online, you are earning a certificate backed by IIT Patna. You will also get Microsoft Learn badges for the Microsoft branded courses in the program. That means IIT Patna, Microsoft, and Simplilearn on your resume. Indeed, a strong combination. Now let's see what you will exactly learn. In this 10 weeks live online program, you will learn the basics of Agentic AI, multi-agent systems, RAG, vector databases, workflow automation, and planning systems. You will also learn how to think about AI from a business point of view, how to build, launch, and scale AI solutions. The program also gives you hands-on experience with 31 plus tools like LangChain, Crew AI, AutoGen, NA10, LangGraph, Pinecode, Microsoft Copilot, Figma, Miro, and much more. And the projects are practical too. You will build AI systems that can answer from documents, automate workflows, support decision making, and solve real business problems. By the end, you will complete 7 projects plus a capstone project which will help you build a strong AI portfolio. And do you know the best part about this course? You do not need advanced AI knowledge or deep programming experience to start with. Yes, it's true. This program is useful for tech professionals, product managers, business leaders, and anyone who wants to understand where AI is going right now. You will also get career support through Simplilearn's Job Assist Plus program, including profile optimization, mock interviews, interview prep, monitoring, and networking. And with 93% of Indian organizations planning to deploy AI agents in the next 12 to 18 months, this is the skill that can open big opportunities for you. So, if you want to learn agentic AI and build real multi-agent systems, check the program link in the description box below. Trust me, the program is worth checking out. Actually, companies are getting ready for agentic AI, but the real question is, are you ready to build with it? Now, coming at number 3, we have Agentic AI for Leaders in partnership with Microsoft Azure. Now, the name says it all. This program is specially designed for leaders, not just people who want to learn agentic AI, but people who want to lead it, build it, own it, drive it inside their organizations. Now let's look at what you will learn in this 10 weeks program. You will go deep into agent orchestration, multi-agent system design, RAG architecture, workflow automation, model context, protocol, agentic UX design, compliance, governance, security, and the full go-to-market strategy for AI products. And the last part is important because most technical courses stop at the build. This one teaches you how to take what you have built and actually turn it into something a business outcome. You will work hands-on with 30 plus tools like LangChain, Crew AI, AutoGen, NA10, Microsoft Copilot, LangGraph, Figma, Miro, and much more. And just like the previous program, this one also features the exclusive Claude Code and OpenClaw workshop where you will actually build with Claude Code, hands-on for real. The projects are practical and portfolio focused. You will build AI solutions that can understand documents, retrieve information, automate workflows, support decision-making, and complete multi-step business tasks. You will also work on systems where multiple AI agents collaborate to solve complex problems. In total, you will get 7 projects plus a capstone, giving you the real work to showcase in your portfolio. And when you complete this program, you will earn a certificate of completion from UC Santa Barbara's professional and continuing education, plus Microsoft Learn badges from the Microsoft courses. UCSB, Microsoft, Simplilearn. 3 names that look really good on any resume or LinkedIn profile. So why wait? Go check out the program link given in the description box below and start your agentic AI journey with Simplilearn today. Now at number 4, we have Simplilearn's Applied Generative AI specialization in collaboration with Michigan Engineering Professional Education and Microsoft Azure. That combination alone tells you that this is not an average Gen AI course. So basically, in this 16 weeks of live online interactive sessions, you will go from AI literacy all the way to building full agentic AI applications. You will learn LLMs, prompt engineering, RAG, fine-tuning, agentic frameworks using LangChain, image generation with Stable Diffusion and DALL-E, and even AI governance and compliance. Not just how to use AI, but how to build responsibly with AI. You will work with 12 plus modern tools like OpenAI, Hugging Face, Azure AI Studio, Microsoft Copilot, Stable Diffusion, LangChain, Gemini, Streamlit. So basically the tools that are being used right now in the real teams around the world. Wait, that's not the end. This program also includes the exclusive Claude Code and OpenClaw workshop, where you will actually build with Claude Code, something you will genuinely won't find in most of the programs. Now talking about the projects, they are genuinely interesting. You will build an AI-powered business intelligence assistant, an HR chatbot that answers employee queries from policy documents, a text-to-image platform for marketing campaigns, a real-time news assistant that filters misinformation. 7 hands-on projects, each one solving the real business problem using generative AI. And by the end, your portfolio won't just show you have completed a course. It will show that you've actually built things with AI. Now comes the most important part. When you complete this program, you will earn an industry-recognized program completion certificate from Simplilearn, plus Microsoft Learn Badge for the Microsoft branded courses. And because this program is built in collaboration with Michigan Engineering and Microsoft Azure, the curriculum quality and credibility speaks for itself. So why wait? Go check the program link in the description box below. All the details are right there. Now, last but not the least, we have Simplilearn's Advanced Executive Program in Applied Generative AI. Now, this one is for anyone who wants to go beyond just understanding generative AI and actually learn how to apply it in the real-world scenarios. This program is in collaboration with IITM Pravartak and comes with a 2-day campus immersion at IIT Madras Research Park. Here you will learn important concepts like agentic frameworks, LLMs, prompt engineering, fine-tuning, MCP, RAG applications, and real-life AI use cases. It's not the end. The program also includes 70+ hours of live online classes, master classes by IIT's faculty alumni, 60+ hands-on exercises, and 7 industry-relevant projects. You will also get exposure to tools like Copilot, Azure AI Studio, ChatGPT, DALL-E, OpenAI, Hugging Face, LangChain, Streamlit, Guardio, Chroma, FAISS, MCP, and much more. And do you know the best part? The certification is a big highlight of this program. You will receive a program completion certificate from IITM Pravartak Technologies Foundation, along with official certifications from Microsoft courses completed on the Microsoft Learn portal. Another interesting part is the startup support. You will get the opportunity to get your startup incubated by IITM Pravartak Technologies Foundation. Plus, Simplilearn's Job Assist help you noticed by top hiring companies. All of this in just one course. Tough believing, right? But it's true. So, if you want to build practical skills in applied generative AI, agentic frameworks, multi-agent systems, and real-world AI applications, this program is definitely worth checking out. So why wait? Go check out. The program link is in the description box below. All the details are right there. So, these were the top 5 agentic AI programs by Simplilearn to worth watch out for. One thing is clear, AI is no longer just about prompts. It is moving towards agents, automation, workflows, and systems that can actually get things done right. So, whether you are a developer, a product manager, a business leader, or someone planning to enter in the AI space, this is the right time to start learning agentic AI. Check the link in the description box, compare the programs, and choose the one that fits for your career goals. Because the future of AI will not just be about using AI, it will be about building with AI. So that brings us to the end of our today's video. If you found this video helpful, do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep upskilling with Simplilearn.